Good morning from Grand Family Farm. This morning the piglets decided to come out. 4 of them did. The little orange colored ones usually run when they see me. We got some special stuff today, some lettuce and other vegetables for feeding. Another donation, which is good. You got leftover vegetables, or they're going bad on you, or fruit, yeah, bring them over. The pigs love them. Come on, it's corn. You'll like it. Well, they like the other grain for sure. The big pigs like the corn better than the grain. Here, Harold's sharing his food with the Petunia's babies. Petunia's over there eating by herself. Yep, she's wearing corn on her head. She wouldn't get out of the way. Well, that's good. I see an egg right there in the mud. I was watching that duck eat through the fence. Another one had to come flying in. This is the worst part of my job, is walking through this chicken run. Well, again, 7 eggs. Muddy eggs. Alright, girls. Somebody's not doing the job here. Well, it's still too warm for the ground to freeze, so we're still dealing with the mud. It's only 97 more days until spring. I can't wait. I have the tractor parked down here. And it filled because of the mud on the tires from bringing the hay bales down. I want to track it up on my gravel and lose the gravel. I have to let it freeze, or for it to dry up, which I doubt that's going to happen. Silly dogs. Favorite place to be is in front of the fireplace. I'm gonna have to kick him out because I am cold. There, much better. Well, it's been a somewhat of a productive day. Not much here on the farm that I got done because of all the mud, but I did get some stuff done on the internet. Some more videos done from the past. Anyway, thank you very, very much for watching. Have a great evening.